Good morning, students. Today we will learn need for separation, and before going ahead, look once again. Mixtures may be of two types: natural mixtures and man-made mixtures. Some of the natural mixtures are the simple air. Air is a mixture of gases. Soil, a mixture of a number of minerals. Sea water, tap water, water which dissolve a number of the salt. These are some natural mixtures. Now some man-made mixtures जिनको हम लोग बनाते हैं. Milk shake, milk is also natural mixture. Milk shake, fruit chaat, ice cream, right? And coffee, tea, lemonade. These are some man-made mixtures. Now look, a question arises over here. Why do we need to separate components of a mixture? मिक्सचर है, उसको सेपरेट करने की हमें जरूरत क्या पड़ी? सो लुक ओवर हियर. नंबर वन, टू सेपरेट टू और मोर डिफरेंट बट यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स. टू और मोर डिफरेंट बट यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स. यू नो द marine water in Israel, Arabian countries, Gulf countries, and in our coastal regions also, there is water is salty water. Marine water, salty water. Salt is important because salt is source of common salt, table salt that we eat, and water is also important. A number of minerals also present over here: iodine, potassium, sodium. So to separate two or more components which are important but useful, and different component and useful. So to remove the salt from the water, yes, which method we use? Desalination. Which method we use? Desalination. The term desalination arises from the saline water. Saline, the water which contains salts. Saline. So removal of the salt is known as desalination. Next one, to remove undesirable and useless component. Undesirable and useless component very commonly used. Mold, separate out soil particles, stone particles from the wheat, rice, pulses before cooking it. So it is important to remove harmful and undesirable and useless component. Before a number of the vegetables, before cooking these vegetables, remove their peels. Banana, fruit peels, we remove it. So this is the to remove undesirable and useless component. Next one, to remove impurities or harmful components of a mixture. To remove harmful components, stone from the pulses, we have seen earlier. Before supplying the drinking water to our houses, before supplying the drinking water to our houses, yes, before supply the drinking water to our houses, the water gets separated, impurities get separated and removed. So it is harmful, removal of the harmful impurities. Next one, to get pure substance. In many times we need the pure substance. Many times we need the pure substance, not mixture. Like the distilled water. Distilled water. You know, there is one is the tap water and second is the distilled water. Tap water contains a number of the salt that we drink, and our body gain different kind of salts. But our body get different kind of salts, right? But there is a water which is used in the laboratory. If we use common tap water we use, it will contain a number of the salt and it will produce different kind of reactions. So in chemistry laboratory we use the distilled water. Distilled water, it do not contain any salt. So why do we need these to separate the component of mixture? Number one, to separate two or more different but useful components, water and salt. To remove undesirable and useless component like the tea leaves. तैयार हो गई tea leaves, we filter out the tea leaves. Peels of the peas, bananas, we remove their peels. To remove impurities or harmful components, stone particle from the pulses, rice, and also water before supplying in our houses. And next one, to get pure substance. याद रहेगा. Now look an introduction of separation methods. How can we separate different components of a mixture? So let us first discuss the types of solution. Solution कितने टाइप के होते हैं? Number one, solid in solid. Number one, solid in solid. Second, solid in liquid. The solid which is present in the liquid may be soluble or may be insoluble. May be solid, can be dissolved in water or cannot be dissolved in water. Next one, liquid in liquid. We have learnt two liquids may be miscible or may be immiscible. On these types of the mixture, which one? Solid in solid, solid in liquid, soluble, insoluble, liquid in liquid, miscible and immiscible. So on this nature, the methods we use are of following types. Number one, solid in solid, hand picking method, हाथ से पकड़ के बाहर निकालना. Second one, threshing and winnowing. These two methods are used in agriculture. Next one, sieving, छानना. Sieving is the छानना, sieving. So hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. Now if the solid soluble in liquid, then soluble in liquid, how can we separate? Soluble in liquid, water, salt in the water. How can we separate the salt? By evaporation. Now insoluble in liquid. Solid is insoluble in liquid. So sand insoluble in water, sawdust insoluble in water. How can we separate them? Number one, filtration. Number one method, filtration. Second, sedimentation and decantation. We leave the water to settle down the impurities. Sedimentation and decantation. Next method is the loading. And last one is the centrifugation. Centrifugation is also known as churning. Centrifugation is also known as churning. Mom also doing at this applying this method to separate the घी को निकालने के लिए. Now liquid in liquid. Liquid in liquid may be miscible or may be immiscible. If both the liquids are immiscible, then we use decantation method. We use which method? Decantation. If both are miscible, then how can we separate? It is very difficult. So we use one method that is known as distillation. That is the distillation.